Hello everyone, welcome to Rupesh Sunset YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of a laptop stand which I got an order from Flipkart while booking. Let me do this an unboxing video. Laptop stand is cost about 244. For the first time orders you can get it at a cost of 190 for the first time only on an account. Cut the things very safely so that you won't damage. I guess this is in better condition. Gently open, take it out of from the box. The box is now empty, hollow space. A laptop stand creative 4-inch storage backup for laptops. Phones you can use. And the working will be like this one. You can see this. You can use this like this. Let me open this one. Open from one side. Gently. And these are the mountings where you have to place laptop or phone. It will be expand like this after a certain limit. This one. And this is the stand base plate, and these are the steps. These are the stands to place in this holes at which level of height you want. If you want the least height, you have to place it in the end like this, and then you'll get a place like this, but it will be better if you use third stand. And then you will get a poster like this. This is the side view. You can minimize the shape. Let me place my mobile phone and show you how it will be. You can see this like this. And this is how it will look if you place it on table. And this is the side view. You can expand it. Side is absent. And they showed that it is made of aluminum, but it is in plastic. They use a plastic. And this is a joint fixed. And this is the sliding part where it will slide. This is the portion where it will slide when you stretch. With the help of these bolts, fix it to this frame. You can see this. You can see this moving up, and the lower base is fixed. This side and this side. This is fixed part, and this is movable part, which will allow you to move this with. Okay. And this sort of stands will help your laptops for better cooling, which is required when you are using it a long time, and you are using it for a long time. Thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video.